Do you wanna go to Bali? Welcome to Bali! Guys, so when you visit Indonesia, kailangan nyo ng arrival card. So kung wala pa, here's your arrival card. Pero kami, meron na kami niyan kasi nagawa na namin siya kanina. Oo. Ito yung airport nila, guys. Ganda? So paglabas nyo ng immigration, galing dyan, eto, dito kami mag-withdraw. Bini, Aya. So, mag-withdraw kami ng cash. Magiging milyonaryo kami today. Dito tayo ng cash gamit ang GoTime dito sa Bini. Here. Good, thank you. Terima kasih.
Salamat Pogi.
Salamat Pogi. Thank you. Airport nila to, guys. Airport. This is Kuya Gide, or driver. That's Kuya Gide. Do you agree? Guwapo. Do you look guwapo?
Yeah, guwapo.
Oh, very good, Kuya Gide. Welcome to Indonesia, guys! Guys, we are in Monkey Forest. Terima kasih. This is food for the monkeys.
One.
Binigyan kami. Ito.
This is one bag for 2%.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome to Monkey Forest.
They're hungry. We don't
So
want
the
to-
foods is peanuts,
Yeah, peanut, banana.
peanuts and banana.
Yeah, peanut and banana.
Kota ka na. Tama ka na.
It's okay. Okay.
May sugat. Anong sabihin
The
mo?
exposure ni G.
Thank you!
How many monkeys in here?
I don't know. a lot.
No, you should know because you are the tour guide. You should know the number of monkeys here.
But me not tour guide. Hey kuya, not tour guide. I think all tour guide here also
Don't know.
don't know the. Oh,
Oh, maybe they don't count. This part owned by the government or private?
government.
Government. Oh. Is this holy water? What is this?
Well, sorry.
Water. It's so big.
Yeah, so you can go.
Wala.
Okay, this way.
Big photo here.
Oh yeah.
Person including the all activity.
So this is our lunch with this view. Wow. Thank you. What's thank you?
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih. Terima kasih.
Iya.
Sama, what's sama-sama? You're welcome. Oh, sama-sama. Terima kasih. Taman, what's taman? Garden. Oh, okay. So, Garden Angel. Ah, okay. Taman. Bidadari. Dancing. Ah. So, dancing angel in the garden. Ah, okay. Wow, wow. It's 5:24 a.m. Lalabas ako. Lalabas kami kasi mag-walking kami. Hey guys, eto may ilaw ba ito, be? Try mo. Hindi naman gumagana yung mga ibang Ay! So this is the night view of our hotel. Tara ba? Saan ba tayo? Ang lilim. Ang inakakatakot mo.
Lokal kami.
Ang lakas ng loob namin. Alas 5:30, mag-walking. So, yung may 7-Eleven dito. Parang wala, no? More
Alphamart.
Alphamart and Circle K. Parang tayo, ano?
Ang dilim.
Ang dilim. Ang ganda ng bahay. Hotel ba yan?
Parang hotel.
Nagtatabi-tabi po kami dito. Maintindihan kaya kami. Eh, nasa Indonesia ako. So, good luck for today, guys. Kasi maulan. Maulan yung panahon. Ayan siya. Ba? So, hindi naman sobrang ulan, pero maulan. So, siniswerte ka nga naman. Kanina umuulan, tapos tingnan niyo yung araw ngayon, oh. Thank you, Lord. So, since the farmers are maintaining this view for this photo area, they also receive money, kuya? Right? So, the farmers are also receiving money.
Give the money for the maintenance.
Tama naman. Kasi, kung wala din yan, hindi maganda to. So, they should also, yes. The farmers deserve the money, right? I think vacation is supposed to be like this. Chill. May picture ka lang na isa, dalawa, tatlo, tapos maganda. Okay na yun. Ulan kanina, tapos ngayon biglang uminit. Thank you, Lord. Doing good? Wow. Is it okay to drink alcohol before going to the Tirtha Impol?
Temple? No.
No alcohol
No
before?
alcohol before going to the temple. Okay, maybe I will ask for my friends.
No, it's okay, it's okay. I'm just gonna get this. No alcohol. We need to respect the temple, right? No alcohol because going to the temple.
Ganito lang.
Gusto ko mag-alak, tapos maghihiling pala kami sa temple. Nasita ako na. Parang lahat ng tourist spot, hotel, coffee shops dito sa Bali, may swing. So, yun yung pinaka attraction nila. Duduyan ka lang. And yung entrance fee is nasa 300,000. So, 1,000 pesos yun. In Philippine peso. 300, merong 450, merong 650, depende. Kanya-kanyang pakulo. Minsan meron ng dress. Minsan kailangan mo pa mag-rent ng dress, mga around 200,000. Tsaka alam mo ba, Lord, yung binigay mong ganitong kagandang lugar, pinag-entrance fee kami. Grabe. Lord, oh, pinag-entrance fee kami dito. Yan. Di ba gawa mo yan lahat? Hinihingan kami ng entrance fee. We have the duck. Leaves. 75,000 IDR includes the sarong. So magpapalit kami ng sarong. Here. So pagpasok mo, kailangan mo nagsarong. So pagpasok mo, kailangan mo nakasarong. And then magpapalit ka ng sarong ulit for pambasa.
O kasya isa't isang laki.
Yes,
50% totally po.
total.
Total 50.
Ito na.
Yeah. Yeah, recording already. Ano yun?
This
Camera?
is for what? Offering.
Yeah, for offering. Nero juga siya.
Mande.
Row number 2 ya.
2,
Start from number 2.
2.
8, 9. Tapos yung the big
And
statue.
there's two different two statue you skip. You have to
Skip.
And then the last
And
How much?
Rupiah this 150.
Oh, only 50?
1,000. This one cheaper. This one cheaper.
Okay, 50, yeah. Okay. Ala, 50, okay.
What's the name?
Mochi.
Mochi.
Saan pa? Diretso lang?
This fried noodle chicken.
Okay. Yeah. Yan yung migore. So, judge ulit natin yung migore kung kamusta siya.
May chicken to, di ba? Yan yung chicken na nasa bangka.
Ah! Ito na.
Ito na ang migure.
Ito na yung totoong migore.
Legit?
Legit.
Okay. Like, is this legit?
Migore na siya.